One of the most praised traits in difficult relationships is calmness. We're told to stay regulated, to be the bigger person, to not react. But no one talks about what that calmness costs. I became very good at staying composed. Not because I was safe, but because I had to be. I learned to monitor my tone, my words, my facial expressions, not to create connection, but to avoid punishment. And when you become the calm one in a chaotic relationship, something subtle happens. Your silence begins to benefit someone else. Yes, I said that. Your silence begins to benefit someone else. Emotional abuse often rewards restraint and punishes expression. You are praised for being easy, understanding, or low maintenance until the moment you stop performing calmness for them. Then you're suddenly too sensitive, overreacting, difficult. One of my mistakes was believing that emotional control meant emotional maturity. I didn't realize I was confusing regulation with suppression. Regulation with suppression. My body knew something was wrong long before I allowed myself to say it out loud. It tightened, it braced, it went quiet. And instead of listening, I taught myself to override it because that too felt familiar. Here's something I want to say gently but clearly. If someone benefits from your silence, they will resist your voice. If someone benefits from your silence, they will resist your voice. Your nervous system prioritizes survival over truth. That's not a character flaw. That's biology. Calmness that comes from safety feels spacious. Calmness that comes from fear feels rigid. Learning the difference changed my life. You are not dramatic for wanting to be heard. You are not unstable for reacting to instability. You are responding normally to something that is not normal. If you've been told you're too sensitive, ask yourself who benefits from your numbness.